Weezy out of here. Weezy out. Weezy out.
Lot of money, I can have a cash. Boy, flew back across the water with a passport. Lamborghini yours is fast. I'm around the world securing me a bad boy.
U.S. Coast Guard released the Carnival Dream late last night. We are very sorry to say that at this time the missing guest has not been found. Our care team continues to provide all the necessary support to the family. Please continue to keep our guest and his family in your thoughts and prayers.
Day 2. Day 2. Last night somebody jumped off the bus.
Boat.
Oh. Dang.
Why you keep calling the bus?
I don't know. Somebody jumped off the boat last night. It's crazy.
Maybe you should start that over so you can edit it.
Nah, I don't need to start it over. We authentic around here. That's crazy though. What made him do that? I still don't know what made him do that.
He either was drunk, took a bet, or something. I wanted to commit suicide in one of the three.
That's crazy. Then it was like raining and stuff. So like the odds is like even worse.
Like around 11, 12, huh?
Yeah. That's tough. We finna go to the gym though, work don't stop. You know what I'm saying? That's why I got, y'all see how I'm coming. Muscle tee on. We don't need no sad news. We don't need no, y'all see the guns, you feel me? Finna go ahead and make sure the guns stay there. Go to the gym real quick. What you laughing at? Is something funny?
That's a gun?
Yeah, it's a gun.
Okay.
It's a,
It's a 22.
Nah.
You can be a 22, don't have to be no 357.
It's a 22.
Nah.
I no 45.
We finally found the gym. I'm finna work out real quick. I'm over there doing some own little thing. So I'm gonna just speed this up. I'm just trying to show y'all how to get these gains while I'm on the cruise. You feel me? That's how we rock. I'm speed it up though. Alright y'all, I don't want y'all to be bored, man, so I got y'all with the music. Hold on. Everyday lady, I love when it hot. Tell out the city, I broke a night. Count on my minis, I give me a knot. I created history, it ain't up. It got it up with I run it out like it, I got it up like cardiac. I'm the boss man in a suit with no tie. I can't be sober, I gotta stay hot. Pour me some surf in the Canada drop. Riding a special like Bonnie and Clyde. Keep me a money. Yeah. I ain't really cool having a car. I put that bit in the front and it been inside of the dryer. Can't smoke in no whoa. So look, I had to stop my workout because what? I had my camera on this treadmill, but she had to use it, so my mama finna work out. She finna go ahead and hit them weights. Don't play with them weights. Part 2. Let me do a girl song for my mama. Never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time when I see you. Yeah, get my new album in stores. Come on now, King of R&B.
What's it?
It's my turn.
What? It's too light?
We just leaving the gym. I just want y'all to know I was struggling with the weights just for y'all entertainment. I just want y'all to be entertained. I don't want to be entertained. That's why I was struggling with the weights. But in reality, it was like some parts I didn't record, and everybody was gathering around me in the gym. Remember that?
Yeah, everybody was watching you?
Yeah, everybody was gathering around me like, is he really finna lift all of this? And I lifted all of this. The vibes. The vibes. I'm back because I wasn't done talking. And after that one workout, I got one hit of quitter power. Does that record me? Just being at that. This is how I gotta walk around now. Just like this. Just get like, what? What? What you said? Boom! I mean, that thing working out. It's crazy. Yeah, you gotta get like me.
Swole.
Swole. Big body. We finna go eat though. I finna go big eat. I deserve it. I do. And then what we gonna do today?
I know we need to look at the fun times.
Tell me to go big, go get some bread. Go get that cheddar. I'm gonna see y'all at the table though.
We made the towel into a little bear.
I look a little crazy. We finally had breakfast. It's not even breakfast time, really.
Brunch.
It's brunch.
I wonder what the hash brown potato.
I'm pretty sure y'all what I'm finna get. I don't know. I'm finna get that French toast with the roasted peaches. And then you can buy anything.
You get the hash brown potatoes, I'll get the brunch potatoes.
Then I'm finna get this sausage, this pork sausage. Oh, what is that? Pork sausage. I'm finna get some bacon. And I'm finna get this honey butter biscuit. And I'm finna eat my mama hash browns.
Really?
Yeah, I mean your hash browns. My granny getting French toast. You get French toast, right? We finna big.
French toast, eggs, bacon, and sausage, and hash browns.
So we finna big eat. We gonna look fat over here.
Well, we keep walking, we all sick. It's so
You think they let me record in the casino?
okay, the boat is rocking too much. It says no recording. The lower you down, the lower you are, the more you feel it.
What?
The boat rocking.
Oh yeah.
Too close to the water. I couldn't be under the water.
You be scared?
Oh, hell no. I couldn't be under the water.
You gonna be scared, Chris? Oh, stop. You gonna be scared if you're under the water?
You ready?
Oh yeah.
What's the difference between the hash brown potatoes and the brunch potatoes?
Brunch potatoes comes with like seasoned with paprika, salt, pepper. Yeah, that's the one in Lidl.
Okay. And the hash brown.
Hash brown is just fried.
You want the hash brown?
I'll take it.
I want the eggs Benedict with ham,
Why not?
some brunch potatoes, and bacon.
Oh.
Your name is?
Danielle.
Yeah?
Danielle.
Danielle.
You're from the Philippines. Potatoes. What is the brunch potatoes have? He said it had salt and pepper and pepper.
No, paprika.
Paprika.
Yeah. It's not fried.
French toast. Bacon. Sausage.
Pork or chicken.
I'm finna get me some food.
Scrambled. Okay. That's it. Your name is? Sandra.
Can we leave a menu here?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
That would be
The French toast.
French toast.
The sauce, the pork sausage. Bacon. The honey butter biscuit. And then the hash brown.
Your name?
Keyshawn.
Come on.
Huh?
To bring it down.
I'm gonna hit y'all back up when the food come and I'll be big rubbing.
Hi.